Hello students, today we will discuss the correct pronunciation of some words. The first we will discuss how they pronounced, all of them. We did first part of this type of pronunciation earlier, and now this is the second part. How you pronounce this? Development? No, it's wrong. It's D E E, development, not development, development, E sound, development. It is wrongly pronounced many times desktop, but it's not desktop, it desktop as it is written. It is pronounced as it is written, desktop. It is the car racing, and we pronounce it as Grand Prix. It's very surprising. Grand Prix. What is this? Genre. Not genre. Genre. Tuition. No. Tuition. Not tuition. Receipt. No. Receipt. कोई भी रसीद होती है जब हम उसे बोलते हैं receipt. P is silent here. You see, you can watch two words. This is the shower, and this is the shower. This is shower, and this is shower. There is the pronunciation of difference in sir and sir. Okay, it's not cucumber, it's cucumber. In English, the last the R which came at the last of the word, many times it is not pronounced. Cucumber. Vegetable. Not. It is not pronounced. Vegetable. etc. Sometime you write etc. How it pronounced? It is pronounced as etc. Police. No. Police. Video. No. Video. How it is pronounced? Video. Next. Is not pronounced. Interesting. Not interesting. Interesting. Restaurant. No. Restaurant. Not pronounced AU. Restaurant. It's kind of a vegetable. Lettuce. Not lettuce. We eat daily as a sweet dessert, but it is not chocolate. It is chocolate, not late, chocolate. It is when the bank give some money, then against house, it is the kind of house loan. mortgage, not mortgage, mortgage. You find surprise there. G is not pronounced. We pronounce every time. Sinner, 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 not singer. Sinner, sinner. D is not pronounced. What is Wednesday, 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 day, D-E-I, Wednesday, Wednesday. Sword, talwar. Mischievous, no. Mischievous, mischievous. It's the mischievous, mischievous. Zoology, 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 not logy, zoology, 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 logy, logy, not logy, logy. Photography, not photography. It is for pronounced photography, photo, o. Here is the sound is the a. Here is the sound of a. Photography. Here is sound also the a. Photography, 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 not photography, photography. V is pronounced coat, not coat. It's quote, quote, cover, cover, quote, quote. Mass, mass movement. No, mass movement, mass movement. Huge mass movement. Mass. It is a kind of bracket we use every time in our life. It is a singular, it is plural. It is pronounced as ja, it is pronounced as sa. Parenthesis. It is parenthesis. Parenthesis, it is the two and it is the singular. Singular is pronounced as parenthesis and plural is pronounced as parenthesis. Elite, not elite, it is elite group. मुख्य जो होता है कोई भी एवरी इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनस की टीम को हम बोलते हैं elite group, नोट नोबल पर्सनस की टीम को elite. E, note epitome, 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 not epitome. It is epitome. O pronounced. O is pronounced as a. You find another surprise here. It is pronounced as famous, as we daily pronounce. But when in came before famous, then it become the not famous. It become the infamous, infamous, famous, infamous. Not I. It becomes infamous. Infamous नहीं, infamous. वहाँ पे ए आती है, यहाँ पर infamous. It is chick, and it is cheek. It is हमारे गाल जो होते हैं उन्हें cheek. It is chick. मुर्गी के बच्चों को हम बोल लेते हैं chick. Volkswagen, no, it is the car name. Volkswagen, not Volkswagen, Volkswagen. V is pronounced as fa. In English, the different kinds of words are taken from the different languages, and spelling is taken as it is, and how they pronounced in that language, same it is pronounced in English language. It's the so that you may find a lot of differences. You find a lot of differences in the name of the spelling and the different pronunciation, very surprising pronunciation you find every day in your life. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ऑल्सो द विशालता, जिसे हम कह देते हैं, जैसे बड़ी मात्रा में, जायगैंटिक, गिंगैटिक नहीं, जायगैंटिक, जायगैंटिक। स्ट्रैटेजिक, 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 स्ट्रैटेजिक। ओनली, नॉट ओनली, it is only, 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 not only, only। again, no, it is again, 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 not again, again। it's the female wear dresses, inner dresses, we can say the lingerie, not lingerie, it's the लॉन्जरे, लॉन्जरे, लॉन्जरे भी बोल सकते हैं आप इसे, और लॉन्जरे भी बोल सकते हैं, लॉन्जरे, लॉन्जरे इज आल्सो ओके, लॉन्जरे इज आल्सो ओके। टेक्नोलॉजी, आई इज प्रोनाउंस है, टेक्नोलॉजी, नॉट लॉजी, वी डिड हियर, इट्स आल्सो प्रोनाउंस, लॉजी इज प्रोनाउंस एज वेल, लाजी, लजी, 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 सेम इज द टेक्नोलॉजी, टेक्नोलॉजी, टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजी। was, not was, was, always, not always, always, always। executive, no, executive, executive, go, pronounced, executive, executive। yawn, जब भाई लेते हैं, जिसे हम देते हैं, जब भाई आ जाते हैं, हम जैसे कि बोलते हैं, जब भाई का नींद के टाइम में, वी ऑलवेज टेकन अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, वी ऑलवेज टेक, ओके। यॉन, यॉन, नॉट यान, यॉन। लमरिंग, बी इज साइलेंट, लमरिंग, लमरिंग, इट्स द रूल ऑफ द एम बी, व्हेन बी इज प्रोनाउंस्ड आफ्टर एम, देन इट इज ऑलवेज साइलेंट। लमरिंग, लमरिंग क्या होता है कि लकड़ी काटने के काम को। Chagrin, 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 not chagrin, it's a French word, chagrin, chagrin। we can say it's a type of eating, the type of eating, chagrin, chagrin, chagrin। it's same, exaggerate, 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 अतिशयोक्ति जिसे हम बोल देते हैं हिंदी में, बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना। ग्रिंड नहीं, ग्राइंड, ग्राइंड, ग्राइंड। ये देखो दोनों सेम डेफिनेशन लग रही है इसमें। पेपर, पेपर, इट्स द मिर्च, ये मिर्च बोलते हैं इसको, इसको बोलते हैं पेपर, 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 इट्स पेपर, पेपर, आर इज साइलेंट इन बोथ इन द लास्ट। paper, paper, it's paper, paper, it's paper, paper, red pepper, black pepper, it's the paper, paper, it's pepper, 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 it's a paper, it's small, tiny, not teeny, tiny, it's the j pronounce here, j। cuisine, it's a kind of food, it's a kind of a food, cuisine, cuisine। it is handbag, no, it's handbag, handbag, d is silent here। duvet, t is not pronounced here, d is not pronounced here, t is not pronounced here, d is not pronouncing, handbag, handbag, it's duvet। duvet क्या होता है, रजाई को बोल देते हैं हम, रजाई को, duvet। इट्स डिलीशियस, किसी भी आइटम को हम बोल देते हैं, इसमें स्मेल आती है बड़ी अच्छी। सेवरी, 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 एस ए वाई, सेवरी, सेवरी। इट्स लिटिल, नो, लिटिल, 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 लिटिल। ओज साइलेंट, ओज साइलेंट, O is silent. O is silent. O is silent. Solution, pollution, solution, pollution. Kernel, 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 kernel. Colonel, kernel, 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 kernel. And next we do the some months. January, January, not January, January, February, February, March, R is silent, March, May, not May, May, August, 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 October, 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 not October, October, October. It's December. No, it's not December. It is December. 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 R is silent also. December. So we did lot of words today, and now we will finish our lecture. Okay. Bye.